Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into today's vlog, we have another hair sponsor from InColorWigs. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. So they always send over a baggie. This is my second time working with them. So in this baggie, we have a scarf, clamps, a wig cap, and lashes. And here's the unit. So this is a curly unit. It's a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. So the lace goes from ear to ear. The lace isn't tinted and the unit is not pre-plucked, but they do add the baby hairs on here for you. And then inside the unit, so it's nice deep parting. They always come with the combs on each side. So there is a comb on the left side of the unit, a comb on the right side of the unit, and of course in the back, along with the lace tab and the adjustable straps on the sides, which helps you adjust your unit, which gives you full control on how tight or loose your unit fits. And here's the unit after it's been washed. The curls look absolutely gorgeous. Sometimes I like to wear the hair with the wet look, but it's cold outside, so I'm not gonna do that this time, but the curls are gorgeous. And then this is the lace on the unit. You can see straight through it, so I really, really like that. It's like a HD lace, really nice lace on this unit. Here's how I styled the unit. This is how it looks from the side. I did a little bit of baby hairs this time, and I did not dye this unit, so it is in its natural color, which is a natural brown. Really pretty. It's still a little damp, but the hair is gorgeous. I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. All right, y'all, so look who's here. What's up? All right, y'all, so today is Wednesday.
Bestie day.
And we are at Restoration Hardware. We went to have lunch/dinner because it's big enough. Y'all will see that on the vlog in a few days. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around the town center a little bit. I'm vlogging on my phone, but you guys will see our little lunch date on the next vlog, because I had to get this vlog out first. So now we're gonna walk around the town center. Kalila wants to go to Coach. I don't have a mask.
I need to go to Louis Vuitton and get me a gold tooth.
You need to go get what?
I need to get a gold tooth from Louis Vuitton.
I need to tell Tavion you out here.
Oh, you better.
Y'all, every time I essay
What's wrong?
in Louis Vuitton, he loves rain. What? I'm all in it. It's beginning to look like Okay, so we're going into Coach. Khalil, open the door because I'm doing the vlog. Hi.
Hello.
You should give her that, show her that picture. Oh yeah, that's cute. I saw the jean one.
Yeah, but like this. I really want
This is so cute.
this. It is.
I like that a lot. I looked at that one, the jean one. It's so cute.
Yeah, I wanted this, but I just didn't like the part.
I like that.
Yeah.
See if you could change it though. Maybe she'll let you change
The
it.
strap.
Yeah, maybe. I'm not too sure. Show her that little picture of that one purse that we couldn't find online. Cause maybe they got it in here. Oh look, they got this little small one. Y'all, we just been obsessed with like little mini purses like this. But this is like a wallet. This is cute. This one is cute. This is so cute.
Great, how are you? Hello.
Gold. So it would just not be matching, unfortunately. So we only have silver gunmetal and then we have a black rubber strap. Yeah.
Is that the only style? Is that the only style? Color that you have in that style?
We have that pink one over on the right, but it would still
It's
be
gold.
that nylon strap.
Oh, look at these little loafers. I don't like those though.
Oh yeah, this will look so
Oh yeah, that's cute. Let me see.
And the thing with that is you can double it up and it'll turn into a shoulder.
Nobody will have it like that, but you.
But nobody have it like that, but you.
Unless somebody buys the.
You think I should do KJM?
Yeah, do KJM, yeah.
Okay.
That's cool.
All right, y'all. So we're back home, and I have my camera. Kalila, you want to show them your box? So Kalila did end up getting that purse. She's been wanting that one for a while, but she didn't like the strap, so she bought a different strap. But it did come with that red strap. So they boxed everything up for her. They didn't give her the red ribbon. They gave her brown ribbon. But yeah, this is how they wrapped it up. So pretty. And then she got this stamped. Really cute. While we were in Restoration Hardware, we had the peach bellini. Girl, that thing was good. So y'all know me. When I'm out somewhere and I like something, I try to make it at home. So I got some champagne. This is the peach bellini mix, which I've tried this before. I showed y'all this before. And then we got the peach schnapps. So we're gonna try, well, peach tree, peach schnapps, it's all the same. So we're gonna try to recreate that drink. So nothing major. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do that. I started 2 vlogs today, so that's why I didn't vlog while we were in a restaurant. You guys will see that one. I might put it out tomorrow or Friday. You guys will see that. I just had to wait. It had sponsored content in it, so I had to wait for the approval. And then it was approved today, but I had to put out the hair review. So y'all will get that on the next video. But I'm gonna let you guys watch me make this peach bellini. We'll try to recreate it, but I'm sure it should taste pretty much the same. It's not gonna have that really peachy look like the other one did. The other one kind of looked a little pink, didn't it, Kalila? It looked a little pink, but this one actually looks peach. Or yeah, peach. See that? But the other one looked a little pink to me. And to me, it tastes like it had a little bit of grapefruit juice in it. Ryan said he couldn't taste grapefruit juice, but I taste a little bit of grapefruit juice. I don't know. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me. I am a sweaty mess. We walked around the town center a little bit. So y'all don't forget, if you guys can figure out how I can get my perfume sprayer to work, because it's not working. Tony can't figure it out. So if y'all know any remedies or anywhere I can take it or anything like that, please let me know. Help your sister out, okay? All right, so let's make this drink. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of my champagne flutes, and we're gonna add the peach bellini first. I'm just gonna add this much because this is pretty sweet. And then I'm gonna add the champagne. And this is a real simple drink. It's really easy to make. Now y'all know, once I get the recipe down pat, then I'll make it look real fancy by garnishing it and stuff like that. I'll probably have like a pretty little peach slice or something like that with it. But I don't have any of that tonight. But y'all know Vlogmas coming up and it's going to be lit. We're going to do a lot of fun things and cocktails will be involved. So y'all know I got y'all. And also when y'all make this, make sure to chill all of the things that you use. The peach schnapps is not that important, but I would chill my champagne and the peach bellini mix. Oh gosh, we need Ryan for this. Oh, I can do it. Ryan! Ryan! You in the restroom? I think. Can you open this for me?
Girl, you be talking like you got muscles and you can't even open up a bottle.
I can't. I do got muscles and I can't open up a bottle. Demonstrate.
This right. Dang it.
Woo!
That scared me. Oh, I didn't know you was vlogging.
Yeah. So they just got all in your business.
Exactly. Y'all
Okay,
don't talk to her like that for real.
Yes, he do. Now remember, champagne pouring etiquette is to tilt the glass, okay? So just tilt your glass.
You made me one.
Can I do this for them real quick?
Excuse me.
Now, did you notice that when we got the one at the restaurant, it was a little pink?
Yes.
Because I think it's a little grapefruit in there. I really do. I'm going to do, this is the peach tree, peach schnapps, it's the same. So I'm going to do a splash.
It was peach skin.
And then what would have been really pretty is like a little peach wedge. I'm going to use a straw just to mix it. But I don't drink my champagne with, because you might as well say this is champagne. I don't drink out of my flutes with a straw. Okay, it's nice and mixed. And now we're gonna taste it. Hey, why you smiling so hard?
Because I'm ready to taste it too. I'm waiting on my turn.
It's good.
But
It's good, but I'm gonna make you one.
ooh, show me a.
I'm gonna make you one.
I want to make it exactly like that.
I will. They'll tell you she made it exactly like hers.
Oh, I'm gonna take one.
Let me hold y'all down some.
I like a little of that.
Yeah, that's how I did it.
All right, right there.
No, like right here. I'm gonna make it exactly like mine. And then champagne. And then splish splash. Oh, if that would have fell inside, you would have still drunk on, period.
I get a little more sneak peek snaps.
You want a little more?
Yes. All right.
All right, I don't want to hear nothing about it's too sweet. Toast. It's good, right?
Yeah.
It's missing something. It doesn't taste as good as RH, but it's still really good. This is a really good holiday drink. You guys can make this tomorrow. So again, you could use whatever champagne you want. This is just the one that they had in the store. It was the cheapest. I probably would have got the Kobe if I was at Walmart or something like that. This wine is actually really good though. I used to get this back in the day. Or yeah, this champagne is really good. I used to get this back in the day. It's really cheap. But it was still $6 at the bar, but at Walmart it's like $4. It's something crazy cheap like that, like $3 or $4. But I probably would have got the Kobe, but they didn't have that. And well, I think they did have it, but it was way overpriced. And y'all know the Kobe is real cheap in Walmart, like $6 or something like that. So, and then you could use the peach tree or the peach schnapps. It's both peachy. And then the peach bellini. We just got this from a liquor store. And I've showed you guys this one before because I got this one and then I got like the sour, I think it was like a sour apple or something like that I made some cocktails with. So this is really good. I really, really like this. And I usually mix this with rum as well. It's really good. Get you a fancy little champagne flute and you have a nice little holiday cocktail. Thank me later.
Don't take it, just don't be, and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up,